Remaining stationary for hours causes a measurable change in human muscle anatomy. Under static tension, microscopic muscle fibers slowly constrict, shorten, and eventually fuse together. The brain interprets this structural lockdown as a persistent physical threat. This triggers a continuous release of cortisol into the bloodstream, trapping the body in fight-or-flight. Most traditional spa massages attempt to resolve this through surface-level gliding strokes and scented oils. However, these methods lack the mechanical force required to break apart fused muscle tissue. Addressing deep structural damage requires a dynamic physical intervention to manually reset the body's alignment. This is the specific purpose of traditional Thai massage, a medical system refined over 2,500 years to provide that exact type of mechanical correction. The foundational architect of this practice was a physician named Javaka Kumar Bacha. He developed the system by integrating Ayurvedic medicine with complex yogic stretching. While Western models view the body as isolated parts, this ancient discipline maps an integrated network. Traditional texts identify Sen lines, 72,000 invisible energy pathways regulating systemic health. When physical trauma creates blockages here, the result is chronic pain. The practitioner's objective is to manually clear these blockages, restoring the body's natural energy flow. The physical setup of the treatment is designed for maximum leverage. You remain fully clothed on a supportive floor mat, allowing the practitioner to move freely around your body. By utilizing the floor, the practitioner can apply their entire body weight through their hands, elbows, and feet. This rhythmic compression acts as a heavy fluid pump. When the therapist suddenly releases heavy pressure, it creates a pressurized surge of oxygenated blood, rapidly flushing metabolic waste out of damaged cellular structures. This mechanical action helps reverse the cardiovascular and lymphatic stagnation caused by a sedentary lifestyle. Beyond compression, the therapy utilizes dynamic assisted stretching to move the client into various yoga-like postures. Because the practitioner supports your weight during these movements, your muscle spindles are forced to disengage. This bypasses the body's natural resistance, allowing for a deeper elongation of the muscle fibers. The final layer of the treatment involves a neurological override. The meditative, rhythmic pacing of the physical work communicates directly with the nervous system. As the compressions continue, the body's cortisol levels begin to drop. This chart demonstrates the shift from a volatile stress response into a stabilized state. This reduction in heart rate signals the brain to exit the fight-or-flight response, entering a state of profound restorative rest. Combining fluid circulation, deep tissue elongation, and nervous system regulation addresses the damage of a sedentary lifestyle at every level. This data suggests that therapeutic bodywork is more than an occasional indulgence. It is a necessary form of physical maintenance. To maintain optimal mobility, session frequency should be tailored to your specific daily physical demands. For desk workers, sessions every 2 to 3 weeks counteract poor posture. Older adults maintain baseline flexibility with appointments every 4 to 6 weeks. Athletes require weekly or biweekly interventions to repair soft tissue and prevent injury. Establishing a schedule for these mechanical interventions is the most effective way to manage physical stress and ensure long-term mobility.